In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process to make the popular Neapolitan cannelloni, tender pasta tubes stuffed with a savory mixture of ground meat and cheese, all smothered in a rich tomato sauce. Let's get started. Chop onion, celery, and carrot. In a saucepan, sauté the onion in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once the onion is translucent, add carrot and celery. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes, then add crushed peeled tomatoes and 1 to 2 fresh basil leaves. Let the sauce simmer on medium heat, stirring occasionally for about 30 minutes, then taste and add salt and black pepper. At this point, to make the sauce smoother and creamier, you can use an immersion blender and blend the sauce for a few seconds about 10 minutes before it's done cooking. Meanwhile, prepare the meat filling. Sauté the ground veal in a pan with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt until it's nicely browned and fragrant. Remove from the heat and fold in ricotta. Finally, incorporate shredded mozzarella, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and season with salt and pepper to taste, then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the tomato sauce into the meat filling and mix well. Once your tomato sauce and meat cheese filling are ready, it's time to stuff the cannelloni. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees and spread a thin layer of sauce on the bottom of a rectangular baking dish. This will keep your meat-filled cannelloni from drying out during baking. Transfer the meat mixture to a piping bag. Snip the end off the bag, making the opening wide enough to pipe the filling into the cannelloni tubes, but not too wide. Pipe the filling into each cannelloni tube one at a time, then arrange your filled cannelloni in a single layer, making sure they don't overlap. Pour the remaining sauce over the top, making sure to cover all the pasta. For extra richness, sprinkle grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese generously over the sauce and more mozzarella cheese. Drizzle with olive oil if desired. Cover the dish with aluminum foil to trap moisture and prevent the top from burning. Bake for about 35 minutes, then remove the foil and continue baking for another 10 minutes. Let the dish rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy!